This is OUKITEL WP35, and today I'll show how you can fix slow system issues on this device. So I recommend that you begin by clearing your RAM cache, or to put it simply, close all background active apps by opening the list of recent applications and tap at the clear all button here. Then you can also take care of your storage or free up some storage space in order to give your system a little bit more room to breathe. And the easiest way to do that is to launch settings, then here enter the storage category, then go for the free up space prompt, which will redirect you to the Google Files app, so you can pretty much just launch the Google Files app initially instead of going into the settings. And here the Google Files app is going to come up with personalized measures which you can take in order to free up some storage space. As you can see, my storage is in perfectly normal state, so I do not have that many things to do here. But if you've been using your device for a while and the storage, the device memory had a chance to accumulate some trash, junk, unnecessary files, and so on, you will have quite a few of available measures. So just, apply all of them and make sure that there is at least some amount of storage space remaining. Then you can also go into your device's settings and switch on the very powerful and effective, should I say, or rather impactful feature that is called memory extension, which provides you with an additional random access memory gigabytes, even though those, RAM gigabytes are of virtual nature. And in order to switch on this option, you'll need once again to launch your device's settings, then go into the About Phone category. Here look for the RAM specification, here it is, tap on it, then switch off the memory expansion, confirm, and restart your phone in order for those changes, or in order for the memory extension feature to take effect. And as far as this little video goes, that'll be it. Should you have any further questions, leave them in the comment section below. But as for now, thanks for watching and bye bye.